Good evening, this is Jan. Back with another takeaway video today. This is gonna be pizza.
Ja, dat wel. We hebben een pizza pepperoni, toch? Oké, dan welke nummer was het? Oh, ik ga 103 zetten. €13,50. Ja, omdat je echt maar ben je geen bezorggeld aanvraagt. Oké, dan ik ga het sturen. Hoi. Oké, mijn naam. Hoe kom je dan naar? Ga je anders gaan? Naar wie je bent?
And here is my pizza. Pizza Quattro Formaggi. 4 cheeses. Plus sambal and garlic sauce. Now what do you want more with your pizza? First, plain of course, without the sauces. Oh yeah. That's the right choice of cheeses. Gorgonzola, I think Parmesan, probably some Gouda cheese, Dutch cheese that is. That is a perfect combination of 4 cheeses. I love pizza. Especially pizza with many cheeses on it. Now this is creamy, this is perfect. Now try this with some sambal. Of course, spice levels are rising. Garlic sauce. I actually like the sambal sauce flavor more with the pizza than the garlic flavor. But that's my personal opinion, of course. Beautiful cheese. Much cheese. What can I say? I love cheese. I love pizza. I think most people love pizza and cheese as well. especially the Gorgonzola. that blue cheese, the Italian version of blue cheese. I like that the most on the pizza Quattro Formaggi. Thank you for watching this video. I see you next one, and remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.